Hi guys, me Mikey. Welcome back to Mikey Macho Garage. And today we are going to be fixing a flat tire on my mom's 2013 Toyota Sienna. So if you want to see us do that, stay tuned. So the first thing that you're going to notice is a TPMS sensor, which we had, indicating that one of our tires was leaking. So we ran around the car checking each of the tires, and then we found one that was low on air pressure. So we sprayed it with some soapy water in a bottle, and we found where it was leaking. The bubbles right there indicate that that's where the leak is. It's a secret trick. So we're going to be using a jack and some other tools to take the tire off so we can work with it easier since this puncture was on the inside of the tire. So we've got the tire off and we found the puncture. Right there. So we're using a tire repair kit from Harbor Freight, and the first step to this is you gotta roughen up the hole. So we're going to be using this plug with this rubber cement to plug this hole. So we've pushed it in as far as that we can. So now we're going to cut off all this excess right here. So now that you can see, we've cut off all the excess and put a bit more cement so that it really will stay in here. But it actually doesn't really matter anyway because this tire is almost done, as you can see with this indicator, and we're just trying to stretch it out as long as we can so that we can get some good deals on some tires. We're spraying it again with the soapy water just to make sure that it isn't leaking. As you can see, no bubbles. So now that we've got the tire back on the car, it holds air again. I hope this helped you out in fixing a flat tire. If you want to see more Mikey Macho Garage content, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Bye!